Okay, we are going to look at this first example on calculating percentages for your budget. You guys, we're going to do this one by hand, but when you are really budgeting in real life, you can use any budgeting app, and most of them will like have you categorize your spending so that you'll be able to see like what percent you're spending on each little, each category. So first thing you're going to need to do is honestly copy all. You'll have to look at this table for Curtis's spending, and we are going to have to go to Desmos and find a total. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to Desmos, and I'm going to copy in each of the categories. So 673 plus 363 plus 279 plus 235 plus 282 plus 174 plus 104. So all together in Curtis's budget, he's spending $2110. I'm just gonna actually scroll down a little bit and put in a total here. So I'm gonna put total underneath here, and it was $2110. Now it asked me to find the percent spending. So what I'm gonna do is take each of these categories, like shopping is $673. I'm going to take that and divide with my total, because percent means of the total. So the total here is 2110. So I'm going to come over to my Desmos, and I'm going to do 673 divided by 2110. And I'm just going to round this off at two places. So this is 0.318. And so I'm going to go ahead and round that up to about 0.32 or 32%. You guys, just to keep this easy, honestly, I would prefer that you gave me that percent instead of giving me the percentage that you would say 0.32. If you put 32%, it's not wrong, but we are going to round it to decimal places. Let's do the next one. So we've got 363 divided by 2110. It's more tedious than anything, so we're going to go ahead and round to two decimal places. So that's going to end up being 0.17. 0.17 or about 17%, okay? Home. So I don't know how this person spends $600 on shopping, but only less than $300 on his home, but whatever, I guess that's cool. That's where your priority's at. So I feel like these categories are in the wrong order. So we are gonna go ahead and put 279 in divided by 2110. And all we're doing is looking to round that off. Got the 2 here, so I'm rounding this to 0.13. or 13%. Then on his kids, $235. Just an FYI, kids cost more than that a month. So we're going to go ahead and take a look. This one's going to round off at 0.11 or 11%. 282 is my next value. So 282 divided by 2110, and rounding that off, I get about 13% again, so 0.13 here. And we got 2 more to do. That is a 3. My apologies, it doesn't look much like a 3. Okay, it looks less like a 3 now. 174 is our next one. I'm going to take 174 divided by 2110, and rounding that off, that's about 8%, so 0.08. And then you're going to do that last one of 104. You guys, I feel like this is just more time consuming than actually difficult. So 104, oh, we finally have one that's going to round up again. So we've got 0.049. So I'm going to go ahead and round that off at 0.05. And all I had to do on this one was split this up. Now, again, we just did all of that by hand, but all of your budgeting apps like that you can download for free on your phone are going to take your little budget and tell you what you're spending in each category, percentage-wise, okay? Compared to your total income. So there you have it.